Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open your card issuer app and request a virtual card now. This is the only direct path to add it to Apple Wallet. Once the issuer issues a virtual card number, make sure to copy or view token details if prompted. You do this because Apple Wallet requires a supported token from the bank. Without it, you can't add a purely third-party virtual number. So start the issuance step and prepare to hand off the token to Wallet immediately. Once done in the Issuer app, choose Add to Apple Wallet and follow the prompts. You'll verify identity and accept terms. Make sure to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode when requested, because this authorizes token provisioning. The app and wallet exchange a secure token rather than the full card number, which is why this step is necessary and secure. If provisioning takes a few seconds, be patient. You'll see a confirmation, and the card appears in Wallet. You open Wallet to confirm the new virtual card and check the last 4 digits match the issuer's display. Once verified, make it default if you want quick payments. Otherwise, double-click the side button to use Apple Pay, authenticate, and hold your iPhone near the reader. If the card doesn't appear or declines, go back to the Issuer app and reinitiate Add to Apple Wallet. As a key troubleshooting tip, remove any duplicate token first, and then re-provision to resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.